sure. Here's a YouTube script about the 2025 Nokia C32, tailored to your channel FK iPhone, and keeping it within 600 words, -- Welcome to FK iPhone, the place where we talk real phones for real people. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Nokia C32, a budget-friendly phone that proves you don't need to spend a fortune for a solid smartphone experience. Let's get right into it with the features. The Nokia C32 comes with a large HD Plus display that stretches over 6 inches. It's not pushing high refresh rates or flagship-level brightness, but for everyday use like scrolling, texting, watching videos, and social media, it gets the job done. Nokia has packed this phone with Android 14 Go edition, which means the operating system is optimized for performance on lower-end hardware. You get smoother transitions, faster app loading, and fewer background lags. It also helps with battery life, which is impressive thanks to the 5000 mAh battery. That means 2 days of use is totally possible on a single charge if you're not a heavy gamer or binge watcher. Performance-wise, the Nokia C32 runs on a Unisoc chipset with octa-core power. This isn't built for gaming or heavy multitasking, but for calls, messages, social media, YouTube, and everyday apps, it holds up decently. You also get expandable storage via microSD, which is a big win for those who don't want to rely on cloud services. The internal storage is modest, but at this price point, that's expected. It comes with 3 or 4 GB of RAM, depending on the variant, which again is fine for casual users. Now let's talk about the camera system. The Nokia C32 offers a dual camera setup with a main sensor that takes decent photos in daylight. It also includes a depth sensor for better portrait shots. Don't expect flagship-level quality or perfect low-light photos, but for the price, it delivers. The front camera is good enough for selfies and video calls. There's also a night mode that uses software to brighten low-light shots, which is a welcome addition at this level. One thing Nokia has done well with the C32 is the exterior. The phone looks far more premium than its price tag would suggest. It has a glass back, which is rare in the budget segment. That gives it a more solid feel in the hand. The edges are rounded, and the phone is comfortable to hold. It comes in a few color options, each with a clean and subtle finish. The fingerprint sensor is built into the power button, and it also supports face unlock. Both work fairly well and give you quick access to your phone. Durability is another key strength. The C32 has an IP52 rating, which means it can handle some dust and splashes. You're not diving into a pool with it, but it will survive a little rain or a kitchen spill. The screen uses toughened glass, and with a good case, this phone could last you a few solid years. In conclusion, the 2025 Nokia C32 is not here to compete with high-end phones. It's not trying to be the fastest or the flashiest. What it does is deliver a reliable, solid experience for people who just need a phone that works. It's great for students, seniors, or anyone on a tight budget who doesn't want to deal with constant lag or poor battery life. You get decent performance, a clean Android experience, good battery life, and a surprisingly premium design. Nokia stays true to its roots by building phones that are simple, durable, and trustworthy. That's it for this review. If you're tired of overpriced phones and want something that just works without draining your wallet, the Nokia C32 might just be the answer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest takes right here on FK iPhone. See you in the next one.